Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 VStrom 650 with ABS brakes. This bike is in great condition, only 2,687 miles. It's got a really cool adjustable GD windscreen, satin white, beautiful V-twin liquid cooled adventure bike. Again, just 2,600 miles. Make your adventure bike dreams come true with this gorgeous VStrom 650, just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.